Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Now will you look at this? Isn't this gorgeous? We made it ourselves, if you couldn't tell. Anywho, that's not why we're here. No, we're here to eat other gingerbread cookies. Okay, maybe not. We're here for beer. But yeah, by the way, what do you think of my hair? I have a bad hair day, or maybe like a bad hair year. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. No, I'm not gonna be. I'm never gonna be quiet.
No, he always talks.
You know what? She doesn't want to be in the video today because she's gonna try the grapefruit vodka instead. She doesn't want to have beer. Insane! What is this insanity?
Yeah, I might have changed my mind. This
Well,
is not very good.
you can get some beer if you're nice.
I would be nice.
Oh, good, good, good. For once. Okay, 20.
I'm always nice.
Okay.
Almost.
I'm not gonna comment on that. Look, the door is almost falling off. Anywho, okay, sorry, I'm rambling a little bit, but here's 21. I followed the stream all the way. And... oh! 21. With fruits de mer. Seafood. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's a... oh, it is a big one. Oh, come on. You always have one of these. Ah. So it's a BIGA. It's actually called BIGA. Okay, enough laughter and merriment. Now we need to taste the beer. There it is. Oh, I forgot to show it again. Very nice, very nice. Do you want to smell it? Smell my beer.
I'm going to taste it.
Oh, okay, okay. She gets it first, and yeah, I'm watching her drink, and you get to see me instead. Tough luck for you guys, but
It's a little bit sour, but I still like it.
okay, okay. It smells sour. Smells, tastes better than it smells, actually. I'm surprisingly okay.
It's fine.
Okay, okay. Ha, I have the bottle. Cheers.